Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to IITC channel. Today we are going to see machine safety, which is very important aspect of the industry. There are many accidents happening every year in the country and outside because of poor machine safety, poor management of machine safety. I am not going to discuss what kind of accidents has happened or going to happen or will happen. We are not going to discuss. We are going to see how we are going to ensure machine safety. Let us guys, we have seen that we can see it here that following question, these questions are going to see in our presentation, but not limited to. There are many more information we are going to see in this slide. We will see how to ensure machine is safe before startup. How you can say that machine is safely started. We will see. What do you mean by machine guarding? Guys, I have prepared something in this module. There are dedicated program for machine safety on IITC channel. You may please feel free to search the dedicated program for machine guarding, and there is complete information for machine guarding. Safety checklist for machine operator. Guys, for machine operator, the things has to be checked before the machine is started. I have prepared one small generic checklist which I am going to put in the comment section in the description box. You can feel free to download that checklist. Do's and don'ts while working on the machine, we will see that, and various control measures to reduce the machine hazard. Guys, my humble request for you and to you is please subscribe if you have not done so far, and please do not forget to press the bell icon to get the training program on regular basis. And you may please feel free to share this link to your professional WhatsApp group so that your colleagues and your subordinates can, your team, your worker, your supervisor can also know about this one. Guys, here IITC is privileged to allow you to use this program for training your safety team, maintenance team, construction team, engineering team, and contractor, contract officer, contract team, so that your entire team is qualified, aware and skilled. You can also use this slide as a safety moment. You can also use this slide for making a toolbox training for the construction team because they are using lot of machines. Guys, we will not repeat what we are going to see. We have already covered in the first slide. Let us go on the session straight away. Important point to remember, guys, before start up any machine, we have to check the integrity. This is very important thing because if you are not able to check the integrity of machine before startup, probably this can create a problem when this is working. So there should be complete checklist of the machine before machine is started as per the OEM, original equipment manufacturer or machine supplier. We have to check the machine before the machine is started so that machine is working throughout the time safely. Machine should be free from the defects. Guys, when you are going to check the machine each and every part before startup, definitely you will come to know that if there is any visible defect, if there is some problem, you can remove it. Machine should not be started with the defective equipment, defective bearing or defective spare parts. Always read the manual before startup. Guys, each machine has got their own startup system, their emergency shutdown system and their normal shutdown system. Each and every machine has got their own list of hazards. Each and every machine has got their own risk matters. So guys, before you start any machine, before you are going to start or you are going to deploy any person on the machine, please train the person, please allow the person to read the manual before startup so that the person is familiar with the hazards of the machine. Always follow the SOP, standard operating procedure. SOPs are prepared by the original equipment manufacturer with the help of JSA, JHA, JRA. Guys, I have prepared a specific program for JSA, JHA, JRA. I would request you to please search in the IITC channel. You will find out JSA. This is very good program for 10-12 minutes. You will get complete idea about JSA. Always use maintenance manual for maintaining the machine. Guys, as I mentioned that every machine are different in the nature. There are different maintenance checklist, frequency of checklist. And some are weekly, some are monthly, some are quarterly, some are 6 monthly, some are yearly. So we have to maintain the machine as per the manufacturer advice. Choosing the right machine for the right job, that is very important. Specifically if you are using the hand tools, don't use hand tool on the wrong job because this can create a problem. Ensure machine is safe. How to ensure machine is safe? because if you are not able to ensure machine is safe, this can create a problem when machine is working. You have to ensure machine is safe as per the manufacturer advice. You ensure the machine is free from the hazard before use. This is duty. You have to check as per the checklist of the equipment manufacturer, and then you remove the hazard, then you use the machine. Always deploy trained operator on the machine. Guys, this is a legal requirement. You should not deploy any untrained person to the machine. Always give the induction, safety training and training how to operate before you deploy any person on a specific machine. Always ensure operator is competent and know about the hazard of the machine. Guys, the person should be competent. He should be healthy and he should know what kind of risks and hazards are there with the machine, so that he can avoid any unwanted events. Always keep supervision when machine is running. Guys, no machine should be used or run in absence of supervisor or operator. Guys, this is a very important point. What we are going to discuss is machine guarding. As we mentioned in the beginning that I have prepared a specific program for machine guarding. Feel free to search in the IRTC channel. You will get complete idea about machine guarding. Let us go through that. Ensure the rotating part of the machine is appropriately guarded. All the rotating part of the machine should be machine guarded. If not guarded, it can create a problem. Fixed guard should be used to enclose the dangerous part of the machine. You should always hide or barricade all rotating part with the means of fixed guarding. Ensure guard is placed in after the maintenance. Guys, I have seen that after the maintenance, during maintenance you remove the machine guarding. After maintenance you forget to put the machine guarding on the pump or on the rotating equipment. This can create a problem. So always ensure that your maintenance team put the machine guarding after the maintenance. Ensure the machine guarding is always maintained in good condition. If you are not able to maintain the machine guarding in good condition, probably this machine guarding will not work and this can create accident. Always use right guard as per the specification. Guide, there are fixed machine guarding, there are automatic guards, interlock guards, distance guards. So this has to be as per the specification of the original equipment manufacturer, and always use machine guard and always keep machine guard in well and maintained condition. Do not temper the machine guarding. If you are tempering the machine guarding, this will not function when this is supposed to function. Automatic machine guarding, if you are tempering the automatic guard, this will not function when this is supposed to function. This can create a problem. So don't tamper with machine guarding. Always ensure machine guarding is in right place and it is in functional status. Following types of machine guards are always used in the industry: fixed guard, automatic guard, interlock guard, distance guard. Safety checklist for operator. Guys, I have prepared one checklist which is generic, which has to be used by operator before starting any machine. Feel free to, I am going to put in the description box the link. Feel free to download this checklist and you can customize as per requirement. Check machine every time before use and ensure operator knows how to stop the machine. This is very important before machine is started. We must know how to stop the machine before I know how to start the machine. All guards should be in place and all protective devices are working condition. We have to ensure that machine guarding and protective devices are always in operational situation. Inform supervisor immediately if you see anything abnormal, if you hear anything abnormal. Ensure operator uses appropriate PPE like helmet, safety goggles, face shield, ear muff plug, hand gloves, apron, safety shoes. Ensure good housekeeping, machine is clean, tidy, free from the obstruction. Because good housekeeping will prevent lot of accident. Guys, do's and don'ts. Every machine has got their inherent safety measures. Every machine has got their inherent hazards. So we should know what are do's and don'ts as per the original equipment manufacturer or supplier. Use machine unless you are authorized to or you are trained to. Don't run any machine, use any machine if you are not trained, if you are not authorized. Try to clean the machine in motion. Never ever try to clean when the machine is rotating. Use the machine or appliance which has danger sign. So don't use any machine which has got danger sign, because you do not know. This danger sign is given over there and there is a means of danger sign. If you do it, if you start it, probably you will put yourself in danger and you are going to put others in danger. Remove the danger sign. Guys, never ever try to remove the danger sign, because if you are removing the danger sign, probably some person will come and start working on the machine and he will put himself in danger and he will put his colleague on danger. Don't wear chain, rings, loose clothing, long hairs. So because this will create a danger when you are working on the rotating machine. Don't distract people who are working on the rotating machine, because if you are going to distract the person who are working on the rotating machine, he will put himself in danger. Guys, there are hierarchy of control, ERICUD or EIRCPD. Eliminate the hazard, reduce the hazard, isolate the hazard, control the hazard, use of PPE and discipline. Guys, I have prepared a different module, different presentation for risk assessment. There is a hierarchy of control. I would encourage you to please go through that presentation. It will give complete idea about ERIC PD principle. Guys, I hope this was a very short presentation. You loved it, and now the turn is yours. You have to answer the question. I am going to ask the question. You don't need to tell me now because you are away from me. You know what you are supposed to know. How to ensure the machine is safe before start? You know it. What do you mean by machine guarding? We have seen the machine guarding, and I have also prepared a dedicated program module for machine guarding. Please search in IRTC channel and you will find it. Safety checklist for machine operator. Do's and don'ts while working on the machine. Various control measures to reduce the machine guard. Guys, my humble request for you is to please subscribe the channel, and I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have any question, any query, please let me know, and please put in the comment section so that we can come back to you. Guys, with this, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.